Hello viewers, in this video I'll show friends option not showing on Instagram Reels. Let's see how to solve this error. Open on Play Store, then tap on search and click on search bar, then search Instagram. Update your Instagram app if available on Play Store. Tap on Instagram. Click on this icon. Tap on storage. Click on clear data. Then tap on clear all data and click OK. Open on Instagram. Click on Reels section or Reels icon. Now friend option available on Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching.